Hello, my name is Jim from Old Monkey Let's Plays or Gaming. This is my first video. I don't know why I'm doing this. I haven't got a clue what I'm doing. I've learned how to use the software in the last, I don't know, few hours or so, and I'm just going to give this a go. And I'm going to be playing the game Tell Me Why. And the reason is I'm a big Life is Strange fan, and I think it might be fun to do this game because I haven't heard much about it. I don't know how many people have played it online, but I guess that I don't really care. This is more of an experience just to see if I can even do something like this. Because I've watched a lot of Let's Plays, I'm a big fan. This game is blind to me. I have really no idea what it's about, so I'm just going to continue on. This is episode 1. Um, I don't know how long it's going to take. I don't think it's a very long game, but it should be fun. So let's see if I can do this. Okay, let's go new game. Tell Me Why is a story-based game that takes your choices into account to shape your etc. I have played as far as, I guess, the first room that you're in, just testing things out and so forth. But Dontnod Entertainment. I'm a fan of their games. Delos Crossing, Alaska, March 1st, 2005.
Hey, kiddo. I need to ask you a few questions, okay?
It's got a cookie.
Can you tell me what happened tonight?
I I went to show her my haircut. She had a gun. She
Take your time.
she freaked out. I
It's okay.
No, it's not. It's not okay. My mom tried to kill me, so I stabbed her. I killed my mother.
Well, that's chapter 1, Homecoming. That's a nice start. Fireweed Residential Center, November 2nd, 2015. And I've already forgotten what the first date was. The music in Life is Strange Before the Storm and Life is Strange 2 was excellent, so I imagine we'll see more of the same 8 o'clock. The woman is brushing her teeth, and this guy's playing with his beer cans. That looks like my house. Although I don't talk to myself in a mirror. I do a lot of this though. checklist. Gift itinerary, snacks and drinks. House keys. Okay, I get it.
Okay, first, I'm gonna find the keys to the old house. Then, I'm gonna drive to Fireweed, and I'm not going to freak out. Everything's fine.
Okay, well this is about as far as I got to when I was testing.
Probably not gonna see any stars at this time of day. Probably not gonna see any stars at this time of day. I could look at this artwork all day.
Oh, can you? She must be a science nerd.
Oh, right. I stashed them down here.
Did I find the keys already? I see some keys. What's this?
So that's where you've been hiding. This feels like another lifetime. This feels like another lifetime.
I guess you're not going to look at the photo, are you?
All right. I think I'm ready to go now.
Oh, I've made progress in the game. Who is this?
Why do I still have this? Every time I look at it, it reminds me of how very single I am.
Must be an ex. Allison and Bobby. 2012. Caribbean Dream Senior. Okay. Newspaper. Police Chief Brown asked council to reconsider budget. Gun control money for local schools. Dock strike to begin this week. There's some lore.
I wonder if
Hockey.
the last picture I sent was from the bleaching my hair at home phase.
Is that a laptop?
I should probably check my email one more time before I go. No, I've already done that 3 times this morning.
Yeah, I had a feeling she was a bit anal. Time and I against 2. The Shape of Yesterday. Summertime Suite. Sounds a bit boring. Let's see.
Michael and Tyler are so gonna hit it off.
Okay, we'll see about that.
It's gonna be so crazy to see him after all these years.
Is this family? Oh yeah, what is this thing?
Is he gonna like this? Or is it too much?
It's a stuffed animal. It has no feelings. I'm going to be playing this game as a blind
I need to bring this with me to Juneau.
playthrough, so I'll be looking at most things. My friend made one of those back in the olden days. It's a space shuttle model. What's this?
I should probably get rid of this. I mean, I can stream it anytime I want. But it makes me happy just to look at the box.
Well, depends if they're Blu-rays or DVDs. Maybe DVDs you could get rid of. What's this?
I've got to make solid plans to see the Geminids. I wonder if Tyler'd want to go.
With a name like Tyler?
Hey, you want to freeze your ass off watching burning rock fall through the sky? Yeah, I might need to work on my sales pitch.
Are these people involved in the travel industry? Let's see.
One more season. What am I even going to do with myself when it's over? Get invested in the lives of real people?
The grave risen.
Oh. Ooh, I can't wait to force Tyler to watch this with me. He's totally gonna hate it.
Okay, can I leave this room now? Have I looked at everything? Oh no, there's a few more things. Okay, there's the door. But what's this? This hockey equipment.
Haven't practiced since high school. I'm probably super rusty.
Who's this guy?
Ellie. She's gonna be so awkward.
Okay, I'm gonna read this. Dear Tyler, I know what you're thinking. A letter? Why all weird and formal? What's wrong with email? Well, I figured, hey bro, I just want to give my twin a shout before reuniting after 10 years of swank juvie is more likely territory. Whatever, you'll thank me when we're 90 and the machines have taken over. You still have something to read by candlelight, see? Anyway, thinking ahead. Anyway, I can't believe you'll be out for real in a few weeks. What? Amazing. I'm definitely going to be awkward when I see you. Please try not to notice, okay? How's your last month going? Are you sad about leaving your mentees? I bet they're going to miss you. Next is... Oh, I got my tires replaced, so I'm all good to pick you up, and you can save the snark when you see my ride. She's been through a lot. And we can't all be car guys. Anyway, the veggies let me take the off so we can go straight to the old house and get it ready for the sale and everything. Can't wait to never think about that place again. I really can't wait to see you. I don't know if I made that clear. Love you, Allison.
Can't believe... Okay, I'm pretty much done here. I just need to grab my goblin and I'm off.
The hell is a goblin? Songs of Innocent, William Blake, The Transgender Man's Guide to Healthy Masculinity, Shelter from the Flood. When I first loaded up this game, it came with a warning or a message about transgender issues and maybe a website to call or something like this. So I have a feeling that this game is going to be themed on that, and maybe this person here is one. I don't know. He's got a book. Oh well. Maybe he's the kid at the beginning of the game. Fireweed Youth Center student art to show at Grindhouse. Shit, I gotta do tutoring. Call Dr. Beck, meet Aaron, finish paperwork for escape, and letter November 2, something for Allison. Okay. Oh, there's more stuff to look at. See.
Hey, little guy. You're gonna be reunited with your sister soon.
Okay, so is the first is okay. Are they in different spots? Are they going to meet each other? New.
Oh, cool. I guess I'm totally ready to go now. Denali, I need to get my application ready for next summer. You stay here. Educate the youngsters in classic cinema.
What's this plant?
Bye, Herbert.
Oh, Herbert. Oh, CDs. The Dark Arc of Destiny. Schmig. Delight distribution. Okay. Oh, there's a few more things. Q. Hey Aaron, you know I'm bad at this. I just want to say you've been the best counselor at an at-risk yet redeemable youth, haha, could want. Thanks for putting up with me and helping me more ways than you know. I'll try to make it count outside fireweed. Survival is rebellion. Thanks, man. Tyler. Okay. We must have wrote that. What's in here? Take me. Well, I don't think I am going to take it. Okay. I've got a cat who wants to join me. Why did she do that?
Hi, Tyler.
Hi. First time we see each other in 10 years, and it's hi, Tyler.
Oh, sorry,
It's fine, Allison. Hi's a good place to start.
God, it's good to see you.
Likewise.
10 years?
You have anything else you need to get?
Nope, this is it. My last 10 years in a bag.
Then we should get going. We just have time to make the morning ferry. You look good in that.
Thanks. One of my mentees designed it.
It's really good.
Yeah, he's so incredibly talented. I got a couple of local coffee shops to hang his art.
Tyler Ronan, shaping the leaders of tomorrow.
Yep, we're screwed.
So, are you gonna miss anything about this place?
I have no idea. The people.
Honestly, people. The other residents, my mentees, my counselor Aaron. It took me a while to fit in, but once I did, it felt like home. They made me feel safe. Safe enough to be me.
It's great. I'm really happy for you.
We planning to drive to Delos Crossing or push?
You are welcome to walk.
Nah, I'll take my chances.
Need one last look or anything?
Look, let's go.
This game doesn't seem to be running that well on my computer. I got an achievement.
No, really. I am 100% not creative enough to make that stuff up. Oh, and just last week, they had to turn the ferry around because a bear was on board.
No way.
Some weird commotion in the back of a delivery truck, so they opened it up. and there was the bear, fat and happy on a literal mountain of empty chip bags.
You go where the food is.
Oh, I can relate to that.
So then what happened?
I'm not sure. I think I couldn't get him to leave, so I tranked him.
Oh, poor buddy. Shot in the ass just for getting the munchies.
Yeah, well, you know what they say. Safety first in bear country.
Yeah, but prevention is best. Common sense goes a long way in keeping them from getting shot.
Bear's fine, Tyler.
For now. You hear they've been talking about loosening up regulations on trophy hunting again? Higher bag limits, inhumane ground traps, even bringing back hibernation hunting. What kind of asshole gets off on killing a sleeping animal? I'm not against hunting, but predators play a vital role in the health of our natural parks. What? Why are you smiling? I'm being serious.
Oh, I can tell, Ranger Tyler.
Not yet. But at least I got the school part out of the way.
I can't believe you've got a bachelor's already. Well, I boast a half-completed certificate in accounting from an online college that may have stolen my credit card number.
You'll figure out what you want. You have time.
How are you feeling?
I thought to drive straight into a whiteout, and my fog lights are dead.
That's beautiful scenery. Are they on a ferry?
What about you? Allison?
Oh, zoned out there for a second. Sorry.
What's up?
I'm sorry. I'm just trying to wrap my head around the fact that you're right here, standing beside me, on our way to Delos.
You don't have to apologize. It's a lot.
Oh, I can look.
Why did we take the ferry instead of the coast road?
'Cause I didn't want to be stuck in the car with you for an extra 2 hours.
Ha ha.
We have to take the ferry. It's the only way to reach Delos from Fireweed.
I see. Well, good. I don't think my stomach could have taken 2 more hours of how you handle curves.
I'm sorry. Do you want to take over driving when we dock?
No.
You're gonna have to get back behind that wheel at some point, you know.
Look, I put a fireweed van nose first in a ditch.
Hey, at least you missed the porcupine.
I'm guessing things haven't changed much.
You mean in Delos? Still the capital of East Jesus Nowhere. Can't wait to get out of here.
Left shift.
Was it really that bad?
Pretty much. But it could definitely have been worse.
Like if you'd been tucked away in a center for troubled youth?
Right.
At least you had Michael.
Yeah. I don't think I'd have survived high school without him.
Bet you're gonna miss him when you move to Juneau. How's he doing?
Good. Good. But I haven't seen him much outside of work lately. He's been busy with his dance and helping his clan organize a potlatch.
Potlatch.
Is that smoke coming out of Stonehouse?
Where?
Guess someone finally bought that old shack.
That, or the ghosts are cozying up by the fire.
Think the new owners know it's totally haunted?
I'm sure Tina did her best to keep them from figuring it out. At least until the paperwork was signed. Ugh. That house always gave me the creeps. Those windows are like huge gawking eyes.
You think people talk about our house this way?
Probably.
So, we're really going back there, huh?
To Stonehouse?
I meant, we're going home.
Yeah. Yeah, we are.
Think the house will sell?
No interested buyers yet. Turns out people don't line up to buy murder houses with no electricity.
At least it's got one hell of a view. Unlike Juneau.
Hey, Juneau has mountain views aplenty. It just also has people and fun. Are you still thinking you might be my roomie?
Thinking about it.
Hey, can I ask you a question?
Shoot.
I was told, I mean, after you, well, graduated, I guess, and became a mentor 3 years ago, you still basically spent all your time at Fireweed, right?
Pretty much. There were a few times I tried to go to these meetups for trans people in Juneau, but something always came up. I probably should have put myself out there more, but it was better to be around in case the residents needed me.
So you were free to come and go as you pleased.
Yeah? Why do you ask?
Oh, nothing. Just being an overly invested sister. Curious how you spent your time.
Oh, beautiful.
Allison,
Yeah?
spit it out.
Okay, you need to promise not to freak out.
What is it?
It's a gift. From Eddie. I know he's not your favorite person, but
I'm sorry. When you said Eddie, I thought you meant Chief Brown, as in the police officer who arrested me.
come on, Ty, don't.
Your adopted father, the man who didn't let you visit me for 7 years.
Fireweed administration backed him up, Tyler. They thought it was best for both of us.
Yeah, well, it wasn't.
It's a peace offering. And you're the two most important people in my life. Please? For me?
He'd buy my forgiveness with some cheap-ass trinket.
It's a gift, Tyler. You know what gift-giving means in Tlingit culture, and what it means to refuse one.
I'm gonna be positive here.
Fine. I'll take it, but I'm not going to wear it.
Really?
Really? So we're clear? This was for you, not Chief Brown.
You know, you could call him Eddie, or even Uncle.
Hard pass. You hear? No place like home.
Yeah.
Cool.
Would it ruin the moment if I said I needed to call home?
Yes. Completely.
Sorry.
Go ahead and stop apologizing all the time.
Okay, sorry. Thanks.
Okay, well, I think I've,
Hey, it's me. Yep, we didn't die in a fiery crash. How are you? He took the ring, so I'd say the first steps have been taken. Yeah, the drive took longer than I thought it would. We're on the ferry right now. Uh-huh, I know. Yeah.
So weird being back on this boat.
Yeah?
well, I think I'm gonna call this,
I've been driving in this stuff for 5 years. I'll be fine.
call
That's
this
not
the
going
end
to
of the
happen.
episode. I've got frame rate issues and some audio stuttering,
Okay,
so
see you soon.
I'm gonna try and figure that out. I think what I've made out here by the plot is I think this boy, this man, when he was a child, going through, accepting that he was trans, got into some kind of argument and killed his own mother, and this is his sister. And he's been, I guess instead of going to jail or youth, he's been in a program for 10 years. And they're just meeting up and going back and selling the house. I'm not quite sure who the uncle is. It sounds like a stepfather of hers, but, well, we'll leave it at that. I'm hoping that this game saved itself. Let's see. Oops. Yeah, so we'll end the episode now. It was a fun first try anyways. We'll see how the rest of it goes. All right, take it easy. See you next time.